Hey guys, it's Vince with Creative Rods. It's Saturday. Miranda is in town. Kristen is here. We're doing a photo shoot for some content for our website and our online store, as well as some video. And so, always working. Saturday, Sunday, trying to keep it going. Check it out.
Hello. What's going on today?
You.
Oh.
That's enough playing around for the weekend. It's time to get back to work. Let's go.
Hola.
Hola.
That's a lot smoother.
Yeah, it's working now.
I like that tent too.
Yeah, smoke glass.
Let me see it again. What you got in here? You got your, oh, you got it hooked up to the,
Yeah, got all
to
the
the-
wires. Oh
nice. Hello.
Oh, hell.
What's going on with the 71 bus today?
We are decorating it with some of this here yellow tape. Put some of that there seam sealer on this thing here, and we're gonna seal her up real tight. A little bit of whole water. You better think this thing in a lake and ain't gonna have no problem. There's gonna get no water in it. It's gonna be just like. Now we're seam sealing it. Roof, the top's getting done first. So we got to get all our seams nice and clean and sealed. Protects it from any moisture, any water squeaking down in there. Moisture barrier. You know, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right.
We gone this far, right?
Yeah. We've gone this far, so we might as well take it to the house. Take it to the house. Take it to the house.
So we gonna see some paint on this, maybe?
I'm guesstimating probably Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Just because I know he ain't gonna do it today, because this is gonna take us a while. And
Then you gotta get it all taped up for the
we gotta
white.
get all taped up. Gonna be waiting on our shipment to come in, some more tape, because this requires a lot of tape to get it nice and clean. We tape all of our edges. Put in our seam seal. Tight wipe it. Use a little bit of wax and grease remover or waterborne cleaner to get it smooth with our fingers. Then we remove the tape. Do that again one more time so there's no hard edge. And you know, you gotta make it look pretty. But it's amazing the difference it makes too.
Oh yeah.
It'll clean one up a lot. Not that you're hiding anything, but it just gives it such a much cleaner look.
Tell me what we got going on here down on the ground here. I mean, we ain't got no wheels on this thing.
No. And she had to go to the bathroom too.
Oh, goodness.
I guess she did it over the weekend. She was in there too long.
Mm-hmm.
So we did that took the wheels off, got on jack stand so we can get as low as we can get it. Because
Get up on.
old Professor T is a little bit on the short side, so he needs a little as much help as he can get.
You're working on the driver's side now, huh?
I am.
Starting front, working toward the back, or yeah.
And then keep on going that way.
Uh-huh. And you got the top mudded up pretty good too, don't you?
Yeah, especially in that corner where it was hit. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Good.
I heard you had a little modeling act this weekend.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep my day job.
Why do you say that? You didn't like your pictures?
They're okay.
He only sent me a couple. He hadn't sent me all of them yet.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I'll stick with my day job. I'll leave that to Miranda.
What's going on?
Making the Crown Vic gauge cluster fit the original F100 surround,
It's looking pretty
more or
good.
less. Yeah. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna attach the two. It's getting there.
You figure it.
Oh yeah.
So what we're doing in here is Big Rock and myself are almost done taping up the van for our top color, which is white. We'll spray the top white first before we worry about the blue bottom. And we've got to make sure it's all tight, taped up, and nice and fine lined. So Professor T can come in here and lay a little white down, probably tomorrow. And then we'll move on to the next stage of color, which is our blue.
Magic show. I bet you the next time you come back, this will be done. Check back. 30 minutes.
30. Yeah.
3 minutes. Commercial. Right after commercial, we'll be ready.
Yeah. Commercial break.
Gotta get my exercise in, get warmed up. Alright, we're gonna paint VW bus. Everybody's been waiting on for so long to paint. So we're gonna paint the top, glazer it. 22 line, single stage, little cocktail here, little something special. Make it shine. I'm out. Actually, I gotta go to the paint shop.
Music got the best child. Now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do? So I better use my legs and run before it is too late to flee. I feel there is no other way. It's what I can do, what I can do. Then I want to be with you.
We are putting some epoxy on the shell of the International so it can be preserved. And after that, we'll mosey on to the next project.
One! Alright! Come on! Yeah! Here we go! Yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4! Come on! Let's go!
What's up, bitch?
What you got working on here, Jeremy?
We did a small repair on our Nova hood that I'm sure y'all been following with all the ride heads and motor swapping. So our last piece of the puzzle is repairing the hood. Trusty T will probably spray it maybe Friday if he comes in. We lucky, we got good bosses. We're off Thursday and Friday.
So what was wrong with that part of the hood there?
Had some bubbling, had a couple issues. We decided to keep it small. The customer does not want to get into doing a whole front end paint job because we really would get into the fenders and make sure everything was copacetic. Keep it small, do a little small repair. We'll do an internal blend on the hood and hang it on there.
Hey guys, Professor T laid down the white paint on the VW bus earlier today. Check it out. Yeah.
We're playing skins.
Strip poker. Oh, coming down. What, you making sure everything's tightened up and lubed up?
Yep. Add a little more oil to it.
Earl.
And it'll be ready, I believe.
We'll drive it some more. Can you explain to us what you got up here above your head? You
So
might
what we have
have to get up and
Nah, you just rotate.
That's the 10 commandments.
That right there is
That's actually a very good name for it.
the
That's
10
10
steps to
He look like Moses carrying that thing around here.
water sanding perfection. And I know there's gonna be people that says, no, you gotta do it this way. You start with 400, you do it this way, you do it 320, blah, blah, blah. No, that ain't how we do it. You do it.
hey buddy,
My name's Carl Jr. and I like to spread mud.
you like to spread mud? Just like your mama Carl?
Wayne's World! Wayne's World! Party time! Excellent! Oh, we was enjoying our shop walk music.
Who are you, Garth? Or
Oh yeah.
she can't keep quiet. She's like me when I get to laughing at you.
Let's get this right. Twisted hair tie Kristen. Carl. Garth.
A little bit.
A little bit. Duck face. What else was there?
That's it. She got more names than Professor T. Travis, Mr. Awesome.
He's not Mr. Awesome.
He's not?
I'm awesome.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Tell me,
is from now
we do high-end classic car restoration work here, right?
Yes, sir.
And you've been working on this door right here. This right here you've been working on for like, what, 2.5 years, has it been? Yes. Been body working this thing for, you know, 2.5 years. Got $138,000 in that door.
Yeah.
You been a bad influence.
It's gonna make a mark.
I almost cut my
In his wallet.
Well, he physically said it made a mark in his wall. He said them Benjamins are gone.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. Our videos are posted every Friday at 7 p.m. We'll see you next week.
Bye, buddy.
Bye.